to my channel World of Creation. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a calculator in Python. So let's get started. Alright guys, so make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get started guys. So first you should type print addition close the bracket, and then guys you can control this, copy this and paste this 4 times because there are 4 operations, and alter each one of them. Okay, so after altering all of these, you should type operation or anything. You can give any name for a variable guys, but I'm giving it as operation space is equal to space input, enter your first number. No, sorry. Input, enter what operation you would like to perform, comma, please choose and type in words. So this will take the input from us and operate it. After this guys, we are adding an if command. So if operation is equal to, if it is addition, then make sure you add this guys. This is a colon, and without adding this it will not work. If operation is equal to addition guys, num1 space is equal to space float. Make sure you add this float because float means it will take all of the decimal points and integers. Float input, enter your first number. Make sure you add 2 brackets, and num2 space is equal to space float and input, enter your second number, and then you write as total is equal to num1 plus num2, and then print the total is, and print the total. So by doing this, the first one, which is addition, will be done. So after which you should copy the same thing, Control C, and make sure you come out of the loop, else it will not perform, and Control V. Make sure you have it done. Make sure you have it pasted 4 times, including the first one, and just alter subtraction and just alter addition as subtraction, multiplication, and division. And guys, after doing which, you should you see this sign here guys, you should also change this for each and every single operation. For addition it is plus, as we all know it. For subtraction it is the minus symbol. For multiplication, however, it is shift plus 8. That is this star like symbol. And for division you can use 2 symbols guys. That is, one is slash or modulus. I am using slash. You can use either one of those. And you can also change print total for print the difference, print the product, and print the quotient. Alright guys, so after doing all of this, you can actually run this, or also use Control Enter in order to run the whole thing. So here it comes: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Enter what operation you would like to perform. Please choose and type in words. So what would you guys like to perform? I would like to perform addition, guys. Addition. So yeah. And then enter your first number. I would like to enter 24 and 42. The total is 66. Not only addition, guys, it also works for subtraction. Multiplication. And also division. So congratulations on making a calculator in Python, guys. So hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something new. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.